Good morning, students. Good morning. Okay, now I think yesterday I forgot to share with you the solution of question number 25, uh, which is in front of you. So this file I had already shared in a group. Group may you will be able to see one file with the name debit note and credit note, and in that file this solution is already there, but then also what I am doing, I am sharing this just now. Okay, so this is the solution for question number 25, and let me share this with you so that you can go through the solution. And another question also we had solved yesterday, which was that question. I think that was question number 43. Yes or no? Yes. So in question number 43 also, I will share this file with you so that you can go through it. Yes, this is the file. And let me also share the screen with you. So in our WhatsApp group, I have shared two solutions for question number 25 and question number 43. Now I have one good news for you. I need to leave you early today because I have one session in school for 10th class. So today we will first discuss about the next question, which is question number 44. So I request you to be ready with your question number 44. Let me also share that question with you. So I feel you are able to see the question number 44. Okay, so here we have question number 44. We will go through this quickly. Let me take the help of few students. Now, Bhavya Jain, can you please read the question 44? Or here, can you please read question number 44? Hitanshi, can you please read question number 44? Okay, I need to unmute yourself. Yes, now you can unmute yourself and you can speak. So here is reading the
The
question.
accountant of a firm the accountant of a firm finds that the trial balance as on 31st March 2019 is out by an excess debit of rupees 283.
Okay,
He
just a
placed
minute.
the amount in the suspense account.
Okay, so now excess debit of 283 in trial balance. So trial balance is out by excess debit. In trial balance, debit is more. So in suspense account, we must have debited or credited.
Credited.
Yes. Okay, so this is which balance 283? Debit or credit?
Credit balance.
Credit balance.
Okay, please continue.
In the first week of April 2019, he discovered the following errors. Pass the journal entries necessary to rectify these errors and show the suspense account as it would appear at the end of the week.
Have you any comment
Have
to
you
make?
comment?
Okay, so read the first transaction.
Cash paid to Amarnath, rupees 75 was posted to the credit of Amar Singh's account as rupees 57.
Okay, so now look here. First of all, try to guess the correct entry. Rectification is a very easy chapter. Cash paid to Amarnath 75. तो journal entry सबको पता है. What is the journal entry? Correct journal entry.
Amarnath to cash.
Yes, Amarnath to cash 75 होना चाहिए था. So देखिए अमरनाथ टू केस 75 सबने सही गैस किया है. नाउ अब बारी है व्हाट इज द रॉन्ग थिंग विच दे हैव डन. अब हियर इट इज written that कि पोस्टेड टू द क्रेडिट ऑफ अमर सिंह का अकाउंट एज 57. यानी इतना क्लियर है कि हमने अमरनाथ की जगह पर अमर सिंह को वो भी गलत अमाउंट से क्रेडिट कर दिया है. ओके, तो वन थिंग इज वेरी क्लियर. इन रॉन्ग एंट्री अमर सिंह का अकाउंट क्रेडिट होगा 57. यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and about cash they have not mentioned, so we will assume that कि cash तो correctly जो credit होना चाहिए था 75 से उतना ही credit हुआ है. So look here, you can see here कि cash तो correctly 75 ही credit हुआ है. अमरनाथ की जगह पर अमर सिंह, डेबिट की जगह पर क्रेडिट एंड 75 की जगह पर 57 क्रेडिट हुआ है. दिस इज द मिस्टेक विच दे हैव डन. एंड नाउ since you have credited both the accounts in wrong entry, it is possible that के debit and credit equal न हो, तो you will transfer the difference to the suspense account. Okay, great. So now this is the wrong entry. I think this is clear to all the students. Now it's very easy to, you know, make a reverse entry and then combine these two entries to get the rectification entry. So right now I am not teaching you this you need to complete. I am just discussing so that I can leave and you can complete the question. So now we have second transaction. Here, can you please read second transaction?
Discount allowed by Brijesh of rupees 5 was not entered in the cash book, but Brijesh stands debited correctly.
So first of all, look here, this part is the correct part. Discount allowed by Brijesh. So first of all, for us, whether we are giving discount or we are receiving the discount.
Receiving.
Yes, we are not Brijesh. ऊपर कोई भी हमारे क्या है ब्रिजेश करके नाम नहीं दिया है. तो डिस्काउंट अलाउड बाय ब्रिजेश ऑफ ₹5. ब्रिजेश इज अदर पर्सन. ओके, अगर किसी ने डिस्काउंट अलाउड किया है, अलाउड बाय ब्रिजेश, तो कैन आई से इट इज डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड फॉर अस? आर यू क्लियर? So discount allowed by other person, it means that discount received by us. And now when I am receiving the discount account will be credited. Okay, discount received is income, it should be credited. So what should be the correct journal entry in this situation? डिस्काउंट क्रेडिट होगा, डेबिट किसको करेंगे?
कैश.
नो, ब्रिजेश. ओके, बिकॉज वेन एवर वी रिसीव डिस्काउंट तो हम क्रेडिटर को डेबिट करते हैं. इट इज अज्यूम दैट कि उतना पेमेंट हमने क्रेडिटर को कर दिया है. तो वेन एवर डिस्काउंट इज रिसीव्ड अवर एंट्री इज ऑलवेज क्रेडिटर का अकाउंट डेबिट टू डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड अकाउंट. सो लुक हियर, creditor का account debit to discount received account. Now generally student commit mistake here कि वो डिस्काउंट अलाउड समझ लेते हैं, बट डिस्काउंट अलाउड बाय अदर पर्सन मीन्स डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड बाय अस, सो यू नीड टू बी केयरफुल अबाउट दिस. So Brijesh account debit, creditor का account debit to discount received. This should be the correct journal entry. Okay. Now, what is the mistake here? It was not entered in the cash book. First of all, when you do not enter in the cash book, it means that now actually there is one mistake here. Earlier there used to be triple column cash book. In triple column cash book, apart from cash and bank, another column was there which was discount. तो यहाँ पर ग्रेवाल अंकल ने ये रेक्टिफाई नहीं किया है, बिकॉज ट्रिपल कॉलम कैश बुक सिलेबस में या बुक में हमने सीखा है या नहीं सीखा है?
नहीं सीखा,
क्योंकि अब वो डिलीट हो गया है, बिकॉज इट वॉज आउटडेटेड कंसेप्ट. डिस्काउंट इतना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. तो हैंस आप करेक्शन कर लो. व्हाट दे वांट टू से वाज नॉट एंटर्ड इन द डिस्काउंट अकाउंट. What is the meaning? It is not entered in the discount account. Or why they have written cash book? Because earlier triple column cash book was there. उसमें discount account cash book में ही हम बनाते थे. But अब ऐसा नहीं है. So it is not entered in the discount account, but Brijesh का account stands debited correctly. तो wrong journal entry क्या होगी? ब्रिजेश को डेबिट किया है, क्रेडिट किसी को भी नहीं किया है. तो what will you do? Guess the wrong entry.
Brijesh to suspense.
Yes, Brijesh account debit to suspense account. Absolutely correct answer. So देखो, it's very easy, but you need to have patience to understand the requirement. So Brijesh is debited correctly, but discount is not entered. So hence there is a difference. Wrong entry में हो सकता है कि कोई particular debit and credit equal ना हो. So that is possible. So once you know correct entry, once you know wrong entry, then rectification is totally in your control. Okay. Now let's move on to the next one. Can you please read third one here?
Excuse me,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
हाँ बोलो. 1 minute. Yes, doubt क्या है कह रहे हो, बोलो.
सर डाउट तो सब में कुछ नहीं है, बट मैं सिर्फ ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि आप लास्ट में लिखने का टाइम दोगे?
हाँ, yes, correct. लास्ट में लिखने का टाइम दूंगा. Okay.
सर.
हाँ, yes, here.
No entry was made for goods worth ₹40 taken away by proprietor for personal use.
It is the most easy rectification. When you do not pass any entry, then pass it now. It is error of omission. ये सबको आना चाहिए. 40 के goods proprietor लेकर गए हैं for personal use. What should be the entry?
drawings to purchase.
Yes, drawings account debit to purchase account. So बस this entry which is not passed, वही आपकी rectification entry बन जाएगी. So look here in third, drawings to purchase. If entry is not passed, so there is no correct entry, no wrong entry, no need to reverse. Directly you can do like this. So when any entry is totally not passed, या फिर there is an error of undercasting या overcasting, in that case directly we can pass rectification entry. Then please read the fourth one.
₹500 received from Javeri brothers for interest on loan advanced to them were recorded in the cash book, but the entry was not posted in the ledger.
Okay, so look here. Interest on loan advanced to them. Advanced here means given to them. Okay. So first of all, guess the correct entry. 500 is received as interest on loan given. So what should be the correct journal entry? It's very easy. Debit क्या होगा? When 500 is received?
Cash.
Cash account debit. We are receiving cash account debit. But credit क्या होगा?
Interest
on loan.
Yes, interest on loan. It is your income. Income needs to be credited. So our correct journal entry is cash account debit to interest. When I say to interest, it is interest received account. Okay, it is the income. So cash to interest should be the entry. Now, what is the problem? Where recorded in the cash book, but the entry was not posted in the ledger. Now, first of all, when you record in the cash book, okay, so it means cash account. Cash book is cash account itself. Cash book is same as cash account. So आपने recorded in the cash account but not posted in the ledger. तो कौन से ledger में post नहीं हुआ होगा?
Interest account.
Yes, okay, ledger of interest account. Interest के account में नहीं है. Recorded in cash book इसका मतलब है it is cash account. Cash account में record हुआ है. तो लुक हियर, आप सबको अब क्लियर हो जाएगा कि कैश अकाउंट में रिकॉर्ड हुआ है बट इंटरेस्ट के अकाउंट में रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ है. तो व्हाट डू आई राइट?
कैश टू सस्पेंस.
सस्पेंस. ओके, क्योंकि इंटरेस्ट अकाउंट में आपने नहीं लिखा है. Even if you pass journal entry, but if you forget to post in interest account, it means that interest account को आपने credit नहीं किया है. So there is a difference which will be transferred to suspense account. And now it's very easy to reverse it and add the entries. Okay, let's move on to the final one. It's very easy. Can you please read here?
The total of written outward book was short by ₹100.
Okay, so what do you mean by written outward? Goods जा रहे हैं तो कौन सा return है?
Purchase return.
Purchase return.
Purchase
Very
return.
good. पहले आए होंगे, so it's your purchase return, and
Suspense
it
to
was
purchase
short by. Now purchase return is which type of balance? Debit या credit?
Credit.
Credit balance.
Credit balance, क्योंकि purchase is debit, purchase return is credit. And अगर आपने short cast किया है, under cast किया है,
Undercast.
तो credit करेंगे या उसका reverse debit करेंगे?
Credit ही करेंगे.
क्रेडिट ही करेंगे. यस, व्हेन इट इज अंडरकास्टिंग, क्रेडिट नहीं हुआ था तो अब फिर से क्रेडिट कर दो. तो क्रेडिट करोगे परचेस रिटर्न अकाउंट को, डेबिट किसको करोगे?
Suspense.
सस्पेंस. ग्रेट. सो लुक हियर, परचेस रिटर्न को क्रेडिट करेंगे बट डेबिट किसको करेंगे? सस्पेंस. इन केस ऑफ अंडरकास्टिंग एंड ओवरकास्टिंग, there is no problem with journal entry, there is problem with just the totaling, and hence this will create the difference. It will be transferred to suspense account always. And when I prepare the suspense account with everything, then in the end also there is a closing balance. Suspense account में closing balance बची है, इसका मतलब क्या है? What is the meaning?
Tally नहीं हुआ है.
टैली नहीं हुआ है, इसका मतलब क्या आपने सभी मिस्टेक्स फाइंड कर ली है?
No sir.
No. Okay, so when you are not able to rectify all the errors, then suspense account will not tally. It means still there are few errors जो find नहीं की गई है and rectify नहीं की गई है. So concept is very clear कि suspense account is not telling. It means that still there are errors in the books of account. So here you can see at the end suspense account is showing the debit balance of 190. But यहाँ पर मेरा debit balance तो credit side आ रहा है. So is this correct?
Yes sir.
Yes, because closing balance, if it is written on credit side, then it doesn't become credit balance. It is debit balance itself. So I hope now you are absolutely clear about this question, and I am going to give you the time to note this down. I'm sharing this screenshot in our group as well as file for attendance, and you can complete this question. Question number 44. So I have shared. Now you can exit and wait for a minute. I'm going to share with you another file for attendance. Okay, so I need to
Sir, now
leave for school. So we'll continue tomorrow, please.
sir Monday
Sir,
को होगी ना
tomorrow we don't have class.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, अभी तो 3 दिन गैप है. ओके, तो जस्ट वेट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 45 सबके लिए होमवर्क है. अ स्पेशल गिफ्ट फ्रॉम माय साइड.
सर
Should
पर
I-
बीच में एग्जाम है.
एग्जाम है, ओहो
Yes,
ठीक
sir.
है, चलो गिफ्ट कैंसल्ड, ओके एग्जाम होने के बाद, ओके
Okay,
चलिए
sir.
बाय फॉर टुडे, वेट
Bye,
फॉर द
sir.
अटेंडेंस फाइल, टेक केयर।